Hello, class. Today I was going to talk to you about chemistry through an indigenous lens, although this is in Australia. This chemist here went through and checked out uh, eucalyptus dyes. This is I told you before that I'm big on sustainability, and one of the things on sustainability is traditional ecological knowledge. So this traditional knowledge, it's important to preserve it, and it has to deal with many things. In this case, though, the researcher is also tying the different colors of the dyes made from extracting compounds from eucalyptus. So here's this picture here, if you can see it. So it shows that the more northern, lighter colors tend to be found in the north, and in the south with the colder temperatures down here. And don't forget that Australia is in the southern hemisphere, so everything is flipped, right? So north is hot and south is cold, especially there close to Antarctica. And I can tell you that those winds coming from Antarctica, those are some cold winds. I felt them in the South Island of New Zealand. Oh man, they were really quite chilly. But you can see here the different colors in the pigments, and this is interesting. But I wanted to read a few of the words here so that you know how they sound. Um, Says here the secondary metabolites, so polyphenols, carotenoids, terpenoids. So just you know how pronounce those words, and xanthophylls. So that's how you say those words. I sometimes students tell me like, oh, how do you pronounce this word? So I look for some of the difficult words here to help you pronounce. But this is interesting, and of course, traditional ecological knowledge is an important thing. It's nice that we are bridging science and history and anthropology and bring it together as sustainability. I like it. I like it when we see chemistry fitting in the pieces, because one of the terms they call chemistry is essential science, and since chemistry is a study of matter, and matter is important for many things, so I mean, obviously I'm very chemistry centric, so I beg your pardon on that. But I like these types of articles. Like, remember early in the semester I talked about mummies, and another one that was kind of cool. So that's one of the things I think is really cool about chemistry, is just how it just goes in everywhere, and that's probably the reason why you're taking this class, is because it's required, right? And it's required because it's so useful, and for me, I love it because I like how it branches out to many things. It also helps answer the question why. And so this one is a why. This is why the dyes. Why are the dyes in the eucalyptus plants? Why are they lighter in the northern and the southern parts of Australia? It has to do with regional adaptations of the plants to the environment. That's what it is, and this is how those regional adaptations specifically manifest themselves with these types of different chemical compounds, like the polyphenols, carotenoids, and terpenoids. So, carotenoids. Carotenoids. Sorry, I mispronounced that. Here I am mispronouncing the word. So, anyways, I hope you enjoy the article. I know it's from earlier. I see some of these articles and I harvest them, although March wasn't too far away. There wasn't the latest issue didn't come out this week. Sometimes the chemical engineering news misses weeks, and I think this is probably an off week for them. But either way, I hope you enjoy the article, and I hope it makes you think about chemistry and how it fits to things outside the classroom. And as with all my messages, I hope you're doing well. If you're not doing well, if you're facing issues with basic needs, if you're having mental health issues, or if there's any other thing else you need help with, academic issues, or whatever you feel you need help with, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll do what I can to help you. So, aloha.